So hello guys, it's Kids Coding Playground here. Today we'll be doing a more advanced version of the turtle race. So if you've not done the turtle race Python project, I suggest you to look at that video first before moving on to this one. On this video, it's a little bit more advanced. We'll be adding like a winner. So as you can see in this image right here, red and purple are really close to each other. You can't really tell which one's the winner. So we're going to be adding a winning function where it compares the x-axes so we can see which one's actually the winner. So let's start. So first we're going to make a new variable called winner turtle to tell which turtle wins. Turtle, and then it's going to be equal to turtle, and then, oops, I need to put the shift key, turtle and this, parentheses. Okay, and then after that we want to winner turtle dot hide turtle. So we're gonna hide the turtle. So winner turtle dot hide turtle. So we're gonna hide the turtle first. Okay, and then after that we're going to make the winner turtle pen up first, so it's not drawing anything. Dot pen up. And next, we want to get a thing where we set the winner turtle to 0, 0 for now. We'll change its axes later, so we're just going to set it to 0, 0 for now. Winner turtle dot set x. We're going to set its x and y. We really don't have to set the x, the y. We're just comparing the x, but we're going to set it anyways, okay? Turtle dot set y 0. Okay, so we're going to set it to 0, 0 first. And after that, we're going to get a map. So we're going to define the map as brackets first. So we're going to put some more enters real quick. Okay, so now you can see it better. Okay, so we're going to go down here to, I just put some enters so we get some more lines so you guys can see it better. So we are going to make a map. So we're going to do race turtle dot map, no, not dot map, and then we do equal sign equal to these curly braces, and then after that we're going to define the race turtle map as the braces. So okay, we're going to have to get a key value pair. So the key value pair is like the letter 1, the spelling 1, O-N-E, and the number 1. So we're like comparing those two. So we're comparing the red turtle, R-E-D, as the race turtle 1. So we're going to write race turtle map, and then we're going to do brackets, and then put parentheses, and then red. Like that. Sorry, I accidentally did double quotes, so you have to do single quotes like this, and this. Okay, so the race turtle map red is equal to the race turtle 1. So red is equal to the race turtle 1. Actually, no, we don't have race turtle 1. We have my turtle 1. So race turtle 1 was something else I had before. So we're going to do my turtle 1. My turtle 1. So right here we have the my turtle 1 is equal to the turtle. So we're going to have to use my turtle 1 and not race turtle. So we're going to use my turtle 1. And after that, we're going to do race turtle map, and then brackets and parentheses. And we're going to do yellow. And then it's equal to race turtle, my turtle 2. Okay? I'm used to saying race turtle. And then the third race turtle map, we're going to compare cyan with the race turtle 3. So the my turtle 3, so we're going to do race turtle map is, let's do this and this, and then we're going to put cyan. Now here we're going to do equal to my turtle 3. Okay, and finally we have one more, which is purple. Race turtle map, and then we're going to do this, and put this inside, and we're going to do purple is equal to my turtle 4. Okay. And then next we're going to do keys is equal to the my turtle race turtle map dot keys. So we're gonna do keys is equal to race turtle map dot keys. So this is defining the variable that. Okay, and then next we can add something called print the keys. So like after the thing will end, it'll print all the keys, such as red, yellow, cyan, and purple down here. It's used for debugging usually, but we can still use it. I'll comment it out for now, and I'll show you guys at the end. Print, and then we'll do keys. Okay. And then next, we're gonna do the winner color, turtle color. So this is like setting a variable to a blank thing in Scratch. So like, in Scratch how sometimes we have to set the variable to a blank thing. So this is what we're doing right here. So the winner turtle, so because there's no winner yet, that's why we're going to set it to blank. So winner turtle color. Winner turtle color is equal to these quotes, just blank, okay? And then next, we're going to get a repeat loop. So for I in range, so you can do any letter you'd like, range, we're going to repeat the length of the keys. So the key is 4, which is red, yellow, cyan, and purple. So we're going to do the len, and then put another parentheses and keys. So this is a loop, so you want to put colon and tab, and each key is equal to the keys of the index. So first we're going to have to get the first one, which is red, is 0, and then next it'll go for the next one, which is yellow, which is 1, as an example. And then next we're going to go to 2, which is cyan, and 3, which is purple. So usually in coding, except for Scratch, you start on 0. So we're going to get the keys of the index, like that. And then next line, we're going to write each turtle is equal to the race turtle map of each keys. Okay, so each key is the my race turtle map each key. We're getting this thing. The first line, my turtle 1. So first we'll be getting the red one. So the first key we're going for is the red. So we're gonna get each turtle is equal to the race turtle map, and we're gonna do each key. Okay, and let me capitalize this real quick. Let's capitalize it. And then next we are going to compare the x and x coordinates of the turtles to see which one is the winner. So first we're gonna get if each turtle dot the x coordinate is greater than the winner turtle, then we're gonna change it. So we're gonna get an if then statement. If each turtle dot x core, and then put another parentheses, and then we're going to put and then take that out. We're gonna do this, so the greater than symbol. So if so I was supposed to do that. I have to put another parentheses like that. Sorry about that. And then we're gonna do winner turtle dot x core, and then do this. And then we're gonna have to add a colon because it's a if then statement. So if each turtle of the x coordinate, like right here, we're comparing the keys right now. So let's say the red turtle is this one, and the winner turtle, remember we set the x to 0 and set the y to 0. So let's say the red turtle is like at 160 on the x. So that's greater than the winner turtle. So if this is greater than it, so then we're gonna do this. We're gonna make the winner turtle equal to each turtle. Okay? And then the winner turtle color is equal to each key. So the winner turtle color is equal to each key. And each key right here is defined as the keys of the index, like the red, yellow, cyan, and purple. Okay? And then next, let me take out the tabs. So now no more tabs anymore. So next we are going to, I'm just going to comment this out for now, but we'll look at it later. So it's like we're going to do print the winner turtle color. Okay, so first, before we go into that, we're going to uncomment this so I can show you this. So let's do that. And also one more thing. When I said commented the print winner turtle color, we can actually show it right now so then you guys can see which one's the winner. So we're going to do print winner turtle color. And then that. So we're going to run it now. So let me save. Let's run. Okay, so there's the turtles. So let's see which one wins. Okay, so as you can see, it shows all the keys right here, and the winner is the red one. As you can see, the winner is red, and these are all the keys. Okay, so now that's what it's for. And then now we're going to have to display which one's the winner onto the board right here. So we're going to do that really quick right now. So let's, okay, winner turtle message. So this is another variable. Winner turtle message is equal to the word winner. So we're just joining two things to make it like the winner, whatever the winner color is, and then the turtle. So the winner is, I'm just gonna put it in all caps because why not? And then we're gonna plus. So we're gonna add the winner turtle color, and then we're gonna also add the word turtle, and then going to add the word turtle. Oops, let me click on here. Turtle. Okay, let's add a space right here. Okay, so next we're going to set the color of the font, the color of the text to white, so it's easier to see. Set up turtle dot color. I'm not set up turtle. Oh yeah, we are using something else right here. So I keep on forgetting. So we're using a turtle right here. Remember, we're using turtle is equal to this. So we cannot use setup turtle. So, because in my old project, I had setup turtle in it. So that's why I keep on saying that. But we have to use turtle. Okay? Alright. So for turtle dot color, we're going to set the color to, let's say, white. Like I said earlier. White, and then make that lowercase, and then after that we're going to add a semicolon right here actually, and then we're going to go down, and next line we're going to set up turtle speed to 0, so we're going to do the turtle dot speed 0, and then next we're going to make the setup turtle, or the turtle, to pen up dot pen up. And after that, we're going to make it go to like negative 120 to negative 100. So that's somewhere like right here, negative 120 and negative 100, like somewhere right here. So then you can see it. So then we're going to do turtle dot go to, and then we're going to put negative 120, and then we're going to do negative 100. So we're going to set it to that place, and then we're going to write it. We're going to use the turtle. We're going to set up the writing. So turtle.write winner turtle message. So up here we define the variable winner turtle message as the winner plus the winner turtle color plus the turtle. And then we're going to set the font to Arial. Font equals to Arial, and we're going to put comma 20. We're going to set the size to 20, and we're going to make it bold. So there you go. Let's try it out. So this is the code we had. Okay, just going to show it really quickly. Save, and let's run. So at the end, it'll show the keys and all that. So once the thing is finished. So as you can see, the cyan turtle actually won that. If we didn't have this, we would not be able to tell which one won, actually. Look, the purple and cyan are pretty close, actually. I wouldn't be able to tell. So right here, it also shows the cyan and shows the keys. So I'm going to play it one more time for you guys. Okay. And then if you do not want this print and all that stuff, you can comment it out. And as you can see, the purple turtle won. So now it's much more accurate, and it makes your little game much more cooler. So I think that should be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.